bringing back my NISMO chassis number 1508. What we did was we ended up having to stockpile a whole bunch of parts, a lot of maintenance items. I was unaware that the gallery gaskets were at least fried at that point. They were coming out on both ends, but oil pressure was still good, no check engine light, so everything was how it should have been. There was no way to tell other than just pulling the motor, like the front and checking it, but we ended up revamping it, new transmission. We ended up having to call JWT, been up there at JWT, help consult, get a custom set of cams. Ended up doing billet oil pump by Boundary, valves and springs by, I believe, JWT as well, and just refreshing the whole, pretty much the rest of the motor, timing chain, tensioners, water pump, pretty much redoing the whole front end. That way it's fresh, ready to go for Z-nets. So, and now retune. When I was back in Arizona, I had John give me an E-tune for, I think we were doing, I think it was pump gas on 91, and you know, from 2017 on, he's been the one that tuned the car, and it was just a no-brainer. You know, John, hey, I need something. He's always covered me, whether it was we needed something like a base map for this car to get it running so we could drive it here, or if there's something that I felt that was a little off on track when I was back in Arizona with the gas. He ended up just kind of revisioning it until we got it kind of smooth enough that it wasn't doing what it was doing, but he's always taking care of me, and you know, pretty much John, no brainer, the GOAT. It's like a damn dealership, man. You might have to bleep that out, but I mean, honestly, it's state-of-the-art stuff. It looks like if this was like a Nissan Experience Center, this is probably it. I mean, dyno room here, you can watch it like it used to be. We used to have to wait out in the lobby back in the old building, but now, like, you know, you got the show cars here. You have super nice lofts upstairs that I guess all the employees work on, and then you can kind of peek in here in the workshop. Then you have this cool, you know, waiting room here. It's like if you were at a dealership. So honestly, it's pretty dope, and I'm, you know, super happy y'all were able to just get this all together and, you know, make it happen for everybody. That way you could share the love with pretty much everybody that has a Z, G, or Infiniti. So looks good, looks great, I love it.